Good morning, dear traders. You are watching economic news prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. The euro versus American dollar pair rose on Friday despite strong reports on GDP growth in the US. Experts believe that advance of the common currency was boosted by upbeat inflation data for the eurozone. The euro was put under pressure on Friday as market participants awaited macroeconomics data from the eurozone and the United States. In the late session, the euro-dollar pair reached the intraday high by 1.0940 and after that corrected to 1.0930. The euro managed the gain momentum after the news that the ECB plans to stimulate the economy until inflation reaches the 2% target. Market participants think that it will surely happen, taking into account the eurozone flash CPI readings. German CPI aroused particular interest as the biggest region's economy has a great impact on the total results. Thus, according to flash estimates, inflation in Germany accelerated by 0.2% after increase by 0.1% in September. It is worth saying that when the inflation target is reached, the European Central Bank will be able to tighten its policy. However, the Fed has a better chance of doing it. Still, the American macroeconomic statistics can be sometimes disappointing. Thus, on Friday, the US report surprised investors, which led to the US dollar index fall. Thus, preliminary data showed that the GDP advanced by 2.9% in the third quarter after rising by 1.4% in the previous quarter. It indicates the robust economic growth ahead of the Federal Reserve policy meeting. At the same time, the other indicators was less optimistic. The Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index failed to rise to the expected level in October. It dipped down to 87.2 points from 87.9 points in September, while analysts expected that the index would rise to 88.1 points. Currency strategists believe that the US dollar will not suffer great losses against its major opponents amid the recent reports. However, today it can weaken. You have watched financial news on InstаФорекс TV channel. See you later.